Hello, this session we're going to talk about how leaders can change behavior. Very useful skill, and it's going to be relatively short and sweet. Number one, always start with praise and appreciation. So if you are the supervisor, the boss, whatever, and you need your people to make some change in their behavior or adopt a new approach, rather than just ordering them to do it, which you may have the power to do, best to say something, start off with something positive, tell them what they've been doing good or they're working hard, and we just want to get better. So always start with praise and appreciation. Number two, call attention to mistakes indirectly, but not, again, don't make it personal. Don't go after them as people. If you're correcting a mistake, make sure it is the behavior that you're drawing attention to rather than them personally. Number three, acknowledge your own mistakes. You may want to say something along the lines, I used to do that too. This in the feel, felt, found thing that we've talked about, this would be, I understand how you feel. You may, let's say you've asked them to do a change in behavior, and I understand you may not want to be comfortable with changing this. You can sometimes say others have felt. Here's a good spot to say, I used to feel the same way when my boss came to me and asked me to do something different. And so they feel, felt, found. The felt is sort of gives you an opportunity, if it's true, to acknowledge your own mistakes. I used to do that too. Or I've messed up more times than you can imagine. That type of an attitude. That's always good. Again, reinforcing number four there, don't order people around. Again, it's easy to do and you may have the power to do it, but I'm just saying there's a better way. Some phrases you could use. Things like, you might consider trying it this way. Do you think that if we did it this way, it might work better? Is there a way for us to come up with some idea that would work a little better, and lead them where you want to go? Ask them questions. How has this been working for you? Do you think, do you have any ideas that would maybe improve it? But rather than just ordering people to do something should be the absolute last resort. Always allow them to save face. Let them know that, again, lots of people do that. Everybody does that when they first start off. It's no big deal. So you don't make them feel bad. By the way, you probably want to be doing this if you're dealing with individuals, do it in private. Don't be, again, criticizing people in a group. We've talked about that before. And finally, anytime you see a little bit of improvement, if they adopt your technique that you're teaching and it works well, they get a good result, really talk that up, really praise that heavily. You'll get much reaction from your group that you're leading if you are following these type techniques. Always, again, give them a chance to have a good reputation. Talk about them to other people. Talk them up. Talk them up that you're so proud of your team. Give credit, all that sort of thing. Make it, hopefully, what you're asking them to do is going to make their job actually easier when they get more success. So make the solution easy for them to take. Encourage them to improve, be positive, all those type things. The overall kind of goal here is you're trying to make them happy to do what you ask them to do. Give them some benefits. Number 10 there, give them some benefits. What's in it for them? If we can improve, our unit's going to do a lot better and we're all going to get a bigger bonus. We might be able to go home early. If we get our work done a little faster, we might get to go early. Maybe if we're a sales organization, we're all going to get a trip and we get to go to Hawaii. So let them know what's in it for them. And again, it should be specific, not general. Specific is always better than general. Don't just say, oh, everything is going to be better or great if we do it this way. Again, pin it down to something specific. Ideally, you know your people, and you should know what they want. Some people are triggered or motivated by recognition. Some are motivated by money. Some are motivated by a sense of being part of a team. What is it they want? And if you don't already know, you need to sit down with them individually and find out, talk to them. Find out what makes them tick. Learn their personality style. All those things make a difference. And then show them how they can get what they want if they will adopt whatever change you're talking to them about. Show the connection. There's a gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Show them how they can match, how they can get what they want by helping you get what you want. And if you adopt this, it's going to go a long way towards improving your leadership skills. No question about it.